Who remembers that one person? Everyone has that one person. An older person will always I tell you, be it your grandmother, your grandfather, whoever it is, always I tell you, go and have that child because when that child come, it's going to get taken care of. And I was so upset with the persons who normally tell me that. And I want to apologize. And before you go off, wait. I don't want to apologize for the reason that you're thinking. I want to apologize because it kind of makes sense. Not saying it's right because I don't think even they knew what they were saying. But thinking on it now, as a man, men naturally will live a regular, just surviving life. Just the bare minimum, I will good. That's honestly how most men are. However, men will change and make improvements once a wife and children come into play. So I think what the older heads we were saying in Jamaica was, go and get that child, because when you get that child, you're going to have the motivation to do more. And I just want to apologize. Again, I still don't think it's worth it to go and get a child before you can take care of yourself and that child. But I'm just saying, I'm now seeing the sense. Again, I am not telling young people to go and have children, given their financial situation cannot maintain that. However, I am saying, I now see the wisdom that could be shared with those statements. Alright? Just my thoughts.